Hey guys, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts and we're in a different location. If you guys could see, I am in Kansas City in a hotel because we are here for a conference for my husband's work. So I was going to show you guys what I packed as far as journaling supplies in this big old bag. So let's check it out. Okay guys, so usually I would not bring all of this stuff on a trip with just my husband and I. I mean, I say that like I've taken a trip with him, just him and I. We have not. Not even a honeymoon. I was in nursing school. So I don't think that I would pack all of this stuff. But he is busy all day for 3 days during the day. And so I knew that I was going to be in the hotel room and I was going to be, you know, trying to occupy myself. So I thought I'm going to bring all my stuff and try and film there because what else do I have to do? You can only shop so much. So it used to be a huge attraction to come to Kansas City from Iowa, like when I was in high school, because you know, they had like Anthropologie and Abercrombie and Fitch. Oh, when I was in like 9th grade, we did not have Abercrombie and Fitch. But now Iowa has like stepped up their game. And a lot of the stores that used to be super cool to come visit here, we already have. So, you know, like, it's just not my thing. I did want to go to IKEA and I'm very disappointed because it is supposed to snow 8 inches today. So I doubt that I'm going to go to IKEA today. And I was going to take you guys with me, you know, to pretend like I had a friend. But I'm right now hunkered down in the hotel and we will see if it snows the 8 inches that they are predicting. If it does, then we'll just stay here and we'll journal together. And that's okay with me. So let's see. This is not packed nicely because I just threw it in here. So there's my phone charger. This may not be very interesting at all. This is the cord to my little tiny laptop. Oh, and here's my iPhone headphones. All this stuff is stuff that you guys have seen before. So this is my little Acer Chromebook. This is the charger. I use this, my husband got this for me a couple years ago, just for like simple things, and it works perfectly for that kind of thing. And I actually use this little thing to make all my thumbnails and stuff on Canva, which is a program that you can make thumbnails and stuff like that. So I decided to bring that. And here I have, this is my, whatchamacallit, Kindle Fire. Older than dirt. Nothing in these pockets. This is my YouTube planner that I need to update because I have not written down, like this was my January uploads. Yeah, so I put this little piece of washi tape every time I uploaded a video. And you saw, there's a video of me making this journal. This was just made out of a journal that my husband bought for me, and I turned it into a YouTube journal. So this is what that is, and I just like to record every time I upload a video and what video it was and stuff like that. So that's what this is, and I need to update that, so that's why I brought it. This is my planner. And there was a few things I wanted to do in my planner, so that's why I brought it with me so that I could do that with you guys. So I really want to, now that I'm getting busier with YouTube stuff and Girl Scout cookie stuff, and I feel like I'm getting lost and I'm getting behind. So I want to make like a schedule for like what my ideal day when I don't work looks like, what it looks like when I do, and then make like a house cleaning schedule. So I do like something different every day because that's not usually how I do it. I mean, I pick up on a daily basis and do laundry, but like clean one thing every day, like focus on the kitchen or focus on vacuuming the upstairs, because then I feel like I'll never get completely overwhelmed with how much I have to do and then just not do it. And I'm not the only one that does it. My husband helps a lot too. And this is the pouch that I keep the pens that I use in my journal, or I mean in my planner, because you guys have seen this. Nothing has really changed from my 2019 lineup. The Midori Pocket Date Book for 2019 and the Cats version, and I love it. And this is what I keep. I color code everything, so this usually goes along with this. And these tabs are cat tabs. They did not come on the planner, and they are from Simple Heart Studio. I'll link it below. It's a website in Malaysia. I brought my doodling stuff so that I could do that with you guys this weekend. We did our acid trip Cats in Space last week, so we'll see what we have this week. This is my wellness journal, and I just needed to catch up on this, and I wanted to rewrite my training schedule for through the end of February and March. And then, you know, I fill it out daily. I can do another update on that if you guys want, but that's basically what that is. And then you guys have seen this little bad boy, my journal, and I figured we'd do some journaling. You guys, we did this one, that's the last you saw. And then I just drew these flowers and watercolored them and wrote in some inspirational quotes for myself. And then that's just journaling that I did yesterday. And then here's today, and there's not very much room. I already stuck in, I printed this, I saw this quote on Pinterest and I printed it out on my sprocket because I just loved the typewriting. So, do some journaling. That's this. And I wanted to tell you guys, when I'm not using my journal, like after I journal every day, I actually set it, I try and like kind of line up the spine a little bit so that it's not deformed. Because I know I'm being kind of hard on this tiny little journal. And then I set it underneath something heavy. Like I have a washi tape drawer system, and I just slide it underneath that to try and compress it a little bit, because I'm just afraid that it's gonna get super huge with everything that I put in it. So, and it does help like flatten it out in between each thing. So that's what I do with that. My Delfonics, you guys know this big guy. In it, I have my pom-pom, my Niswa Turtle Races button, my Sasquatch pin, I have a bunch of Pigma microns, a glue stick, whiteout, watercolor brush pen, some Poscas, a white gel pen. This was the Uni Jetstream pen that came with my Hobonichi. I love this pen. My sprocket, which I charged before I came, but then forgot to buy more paper, so I don't know how much paper I have left. My Mildliners, a stamp pad, stamp block. There's, let's see, washi tapes in these pockets. You guys, I was in such a hurry that I just chucked stuff in here. I have no idea. Washi tapes. Let's see. Looks like that's what I got for that. And then, let's see. I love this bag so much, you guys. Some stamps. The most random of all randoms. Look at this. so weird. So those are the stamps I threw in. In my book, the more random the better, right? If you've been here for any time at all. My new neutrals palette, the Brights palette. And then in the bottom is a little ruler and some colored pencils. And that's it. Well, no, wait, maybe not. In the back, I pulled over the little table that was by the chair, and I pulled it over by the window so that I'd have decent light. We're DIYing this. In the back, I have, let's move this for a second. It's getting wild in here. All right. I'm sorry, I know I'm yelling right into the camera, but it's just like right at my height. So I feel like I'm screaming at you. I just threw in a bunch of different stickers. These are my Tim Holtz Word ones. This one is from the American Crafts and Paper Crate Studio. It's a page ripped out of that. And then I have Totoro sticker flakes, the Goro Goro Nyansuki cat sticker flakes. And I didn't pay attention to what any of these were. I just threw them in. And then, let's see, Hong and Ding, my cat ones, my pig ones, and then the Happy Girl, Happy Life, my little stencil. Just a variety. Just a nice varietal. So we can have some fun with that. And then, what else? I love how the stickers stick in this back pocket. Let's see, these are all scraps that I've kept for tip-ins if I want to do tip-ins or glue stuff in. Kind of random. This is, fabric scraps that my mom had given me at some point. She made a quilt out of these fabrics, and it's the cutest thing in the entire world, but these were just some scraps that I threw in there. Something else for a tip-in. And then, I thought that was a pretty picture of colored pencils. I must have ripped it out of the newspaper. And then some random pieces of paper. So, as you guys can see, I am completely organized. That's laughable. All right, so that's what's in there. What else have we got in here? Sorry if I'm knocking the camera, guys. I threw in more stamps. Gosh, I went ham. I was just tossing stuff in here like a mad woman. And then these are the Waffle Flower Kid ones. And then the American Crafts Everyday Life sticker book. And I love this sticker book. It's so cute, you guys, because it's everyday life things. Like, it's just perfect for journaling. I love it. I got this at Tuesday morning, and it's a good mix of like decorative journal stickers and not too much planner type stickers, because I don't need a lot of planner stickers. I like to use them in my journal. So let's see, my mouse. Ooh, I went and knocked you guys again. I'm sorry. Nothing in there. Did we already look in here? 1,050,000 bobby pins and a Bic Atlantis exact. No clue where that came from. All right, so that is what is in here, and that's the plan, you guys. I'm excited. I'm excited to kind of hole up in this hotel room and do some journaling and some arty stuff, because I think it's super fun. You know that. So I'll see what I can get done. I don't know what the internet is like here, so I don't know how long it's going to take me to upload various videos, if at all. So I hope this works. I know somebody will ask me about this tote bag. This is from Coach, and it's leather and it's beautiful, and it's got a shoulder strap, and I did not buy this. My best friend, her sister, works for Coach, designs handbags for Coach, and so she gets a lot of handbags and sample handbags, and so she uses them for a little while, and then she passes them along to us, me and my other best friend. So I am very grateful to her. And this is also one of the things that she passed along to me. This leather purse I love. Look at that. That'll hurt your eyes. It looks like fluorescent. It's not exactly fluorescent, but it is kind of a bright. It's kind of a yellow chartreuse color, and I love it. I don't know why, but I just do. So here's a look inside my purse in case you wanted to see that. Meatloaf's still hanging in. So there you guys go. That's a look. And I hope that you are excited to spend the weekend with me while I'm not with my hubby. So I will see you guys soon with some journaling. Bye.